Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So, as we find there are different classes of men, although all of them are in Bombay or any city, similarly, all the living entities, they are not of the same quality. Some of them are in touch with the material modes of goodness, some of them are in touch with the material modes of passion, and some of them are in touch with the material modes of ignorance. So those who are in ignorance, they are just like fallen in the water. As the fire falls on the water, it extinguishes completely. On the dry grass, if a spark of fire falls, taking advantage of the dry grass, the fire ignites, it becomes again fire. Similarly, those who are in the modes of goodness, they can easily awaken their Krishna consciousness. Because in the Bhagavad Gita it is said, Jesam antagatam papam. Why people are not coming to this temple? Because the difficulty is, some of them are in gross ignorance. Namang dushkitinam mudha prapaddante naradhava. They cannot come. Those who are simply engaged in sinful activities, they cannot appreciate this Krishna consciousness. That is not possible. But it is a chance given to everyone. We are flattering. Please come here. Please, this is our business. On behalf of Krishna, as Krishna comes personally to teach Bhagavad Gita and ask everyone, Sarva dharman parityajya mam ekam sarvam. Our business is that. Therefore Krishna very much appreciates. These people are doing on my behalf. I haven't got to go there. They are taking my business. What we are taking business? We are simply asking people, please surrender to Krishna. Therefore you are very dear. Krishna says, Nacha tasmat manusyeshu kaschit me priyakittam. Our business is how to become recognized by Krishna. We don't bother whether one is converted or not in Krishna consciousness. Our duty is to flatter. That's all. My dear sir, please come here, see Krishna's deity, offer namaskar, take prasadam and go home. But people are not agreeing. Because, why? This business cannot be taken up by persons who are full of sinful activities. Therefore Krishna says, Jesam antagatam papam. One who has completely finished his sinful activities. Jesam antagatam papam. Jananang punnakarmanam. Who can become free from sinful activities? One who is engaged always in pious activities. If you are engaged in pious activities always, where is the chance of committing sinful activities? Therefore, the most pious activity is to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. If you are engaged always, Hare Krishna, Krishna, if your mind is always engaged in Krishna consciousness, then there is no accommodation for other things to come to your mind. This is the process of Krishna consciousness. As soon as we forget Krishna, Maya is there, immediately captured.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare